What's up guys, welcome to TANSAFTECH YouTube channel. It's been 20 days remaining for the launch of much anticipated smartphone Galaxy Note 10. Every day we see new leaks are coming out. Ice Universe come up again with a new leak today. It may be potentially the best one, which I believe. Samsung started their mass production of 12 gigs of DDR5 mobile RAM in its premium devices, which is a massive news before the launch of Galaxy Note 10. In another leak of Ice Universe, it also shows us which model will launch in China based on their type. The base variant Note 10 will be coming in 4G version with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of ROM. A 5G variant of Note 10 Plus will have a 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of ROM. So the news regarding 12 gigs of DDR5 seem to be confirming that potentially we see 12 gigs of DDR5 RAM inside Note 10 Plus 5G variant devices. Wow, I mean look at that. It will be a powerful phone with the potential to do anything. Samsung is bringing innovation to its next level. Even in their teaser they have shown it will kind of a phone which can do just like laptop or PC, as it has much of a power, so fingers are crossed. A few days ago Qualcomm has announced a mid-year refresh of its flagship Snapdragon 855 chipset. The new Snapdragon 855 Plus is further optimized for gaming, VR, AI and 5G connectivity. It claims to be placed in phones which released in later half of 2019. There are spectrums about 855 Plus might be coming in Note 10 as it's going to be launched in later 2019, but it has been denied by Ronald Conrad, who is a popular leaker of Samsung devices. According to him, there will be no 855 Plus processor in Note 10. Samsung will stick to Qualcomm 855 processor because 855 Plus processor does not support DDR5 RAM. Another reason might be 855 Plus is an overclocked version of 855 and it increased the speed by 15% in performance. But since Qualcomm did not increase the efficiency of chipset, it will cost more battery drain. This could be another reason Samsung did not include this processor. While the Samsung Note 10 will also come in Exynos 9825 7nm processor, and it is Samsung's first Exynos chip with 7nm of size. Another benchmark leak which includes Exynos processor which have an high score on multi-cores. Their performance scores are similar to the Exynos 9820, but we don't judge the performance from just the score. Sometimes they are different on actual device performance. Geekbench scores shows Note 10 Plus will have an Android 9 Pie software running with 8 gigs of RAM, and it will be running One UI which will provide a stock Android experience. As we know, Samsung Note 10 Plus will support 45 watt of fast charging, but the annoying thing is we only got 25 watt of fast charging inside the box, since leaked images shows some retail store in Europe started selling 45 watt of charging online in 50 euros, and they are coming in both the black and the white color. Well, Samsung has priced the phone so high they should have provided 45 watt of fast charger inside the box, but instead they are providing 25 watt of fast charging, which is not good from Samsung, as they are doing just like an Apple type of a business. As there are 20 days left since the launch of Samsung Galaxy Note 10, we'll see what we got after the launch. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about the device. Thanks for watching and peace out.